riding away but not realizing that I'm the true problem. We pedal away from our problems because we don't want to face our battles. Not seeing that those moments are what makes you more strong with your courage. So we anticipate the fact that things are not going the way we want, so we run and we run, not seeing that we should fight and face our fears. Tons of us make too many excuses about the things that's not going the way we want in life. But it's the fear. It's the fear of taking chances. It's the fear of losing. It's the fear of the moments that you don't understand in your life because you have to make the better choices. Excuses. See, you have to reach the pinnacles of your thresholds to the moments where you feel like giving up. When you feel like giving up, that's when you're supposed to push even more, because that means you're about to reach your mental or your physical breakthroughs. Chances is what make you the king or the queen you truly are. You take chances. You don't run from your problems. Too many of us are stuck running from our problems, not realizing the problem will stay the same problem because you can move on to different locations, but you're gonna still have the same problems. You gotta face your problems. You gotta stop running from who you want to become and run towards who you want to become. See, I became a product of my environment, not realizing that I was running from my environment, but the whole time my environment was in my mind. See, I control what my environment is. I control the way I think. So no more running. I'm running towards every dream, every aspiration and goal I have. I'ma chase my dreams. No more whining. World, wake up. Here comes a new me.